Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from eBangalore Property. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful, small, wonderful home located in Banshankari. Though built on a small site, it is lavishly done with grand interiors, very modern outlook. It is built on a plot size of 23 by 27. Ground floor, as you can see, is entirely parking. 2-3 cars can be parked, and very premium quality construction. This is the outside staircase with glass and stainless steel railings. Landscaping. It is a east facing BBMP A Khata plot. East facing site, north facing entrance. Outside, inside, everything very premium quality materials have been used. Italian marble throughout the house and wooden flooring inside the bedrooms. So this has a Kaveri water, north facing entrance in the northeast corner. POP false ceiling and LED lightings have been provided. It's a brand new property. So as we entered, this is entry foyer, puja room, dining and kitchen. If required, you can add a partition if you need privacy. Next to the puja room, partition can be added to give privacy to the kitchen, but nowadays all modern houses have the same concept. So this is as per Vastu. In the southeast corner, kitchen is there, Italian kitchen. Designer partition is given, CNC partition. It's a brand new house, still final fittings, fixtures and painting is yet to be done. Bathroom fittings, sanitary fittings and taps and all will be provided once the deal is finalized. So 2 steps, you enter into the living room, square large living room. With POP false ceiling and LED lighting. Wall paneling is also done. Large French windows. This is a common bathroom in the halfway next to the staircase. Wall mounted toilet, shower, hand wash sink will be provided. For internal staircase also there is glass and stainless steel railings. From first floor now we have reached second floor. This is second floor. Second floor, you can see this is a study room and 2 large rooms and 2 attached bathrooms are there in this floor. Both have wooden flooring. This is the first bedroom. False ceiling work, TV unit, wardrobes and attached bathroom. Very comfortable, spacious rooms. Also the steps are very comfortable. Low rise steps. You won't feel strained moving inside the house. So this is the attached bathroom. Overall 4 bathrooms are there in the property, 1 common and 3 attached. Also total built up area is 2400 square feet. This is the second master bedroom in the southwest corner, inclusive of cot, also inbuilt cot, wooden flooring and attached bathroom, full wardrobes. This is the bathroom of the master bedroom. Next to the bathroom, you can see this is the TV unit. Complete wall paneling has been done. Customized doors, custom made windows. It's a very unique house. Even though such a small site, the specifications are made very lavishly, something what you see in Shine Villas and Marvel Villa type of houses. Now we are on the third floor, topmost floor. Third floor, you can see this is a family hall with nice skylight, direct skylight cutting has been done on top on the ceiling. There is a terrace area also, small terrace area. Further access is given to the overhead terrace area above this. This floor also has a large master bedroom. Now let's see the third bedroom. Second bedroom, we missed recording the video, so I have incorporated the photo of that. But second bedroom on the second floor, which is the master bedroom, is same as this, same size. So this also has a cot, customized cot, false ceiling work, mix of wood and POP. Wardrobes are there, and attached bathroom is also there. So this is the last bathroom. About 15 to 20 days of work is pending in the house. If anyone is interested and finalizes the deal, all the pending works, final painting, polishing, bathroom fittings will be completed. It's a very clean, crystal clear documents, Ye Khata, good location, developed layout with all amenities within walkable distance. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more properties, and in the description all details are given. Thank you.